Could a black hole one day consume us all? There are millions of them lurking in the vastness of space, waiting. And if we ever happen to accidentally create one, well, buckle up. Things would start to really, quite literally, suck. What would it look like if we got pulled into a black hole? Could Earth orbit both the Sun and a black hole? And would we be able to survive spaghettification? This is what if, and here's what would happen if Earth was swallowed by a black hole. Just 3,000 light years away, there's a black hole visible to the naked eye. Luckily, we're at a safe distance from this and many others like it. Our galaxy is home to around 100 million black holes that we know of. These cosmic voids are the remnants of massive stars, once 10 to 20 times bigger than our Sun, that have collapsed in on themselves after going supernova. Stellar black holes like these are quite common, averaging about 16 kilometers in diameter. And then, there's their much bigger counterpart, the supermassive black holes. These giants are as wide as our entire solar system and pack a mass greater than 1 million suns combined. One of them, Sagittarius A star, sits right at the heart of our Milky Way. So how close would a black hole need to be to become a threat to us? Well, even a tiny black hole the size of a pinhead could wipe us out if it got too close. Its immense density and intense gravitational pull would be more than enough to do the job. Our survival depends on whether we cross the event horizon, the point of no return. Anything that passes this threshold would need to travel faster than light to escape. And since that's impossible, well, you get the idea. If Earth drifted too close, the side facing the black hole would begin to stretch toward it. Our atmosphere would start getting sucked away, followed by massive chunks of our planet itself. If Earth somehow managed to enter the black hole's orbit, things wouldn't get much better. The extreme gravitational forces would continuously warp and squeeze the planet, creating intense internal friction. Our core would heat up to catastrophic levels, triggering earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and devastating tsunamis. Eventually, Earth would stretch into an elongated shape, a process known as spaghettification. And no, not the delicious kind. Now, let's say you were a superhero and decided to face the black hole head-on. Your arms, being closer than your feet, would start stretching first, and your body would get squeezed thinner and thinner. Unless your superpower is extreme elasticity, you wouldn't last long. For a typical stellar black hole, spaghettification would occur hundreds of kilometers before reaching the event horizon. But for a supermassive black hole, this process might not begin until inside the event horizon due to its sheer size. No matter the size though, anything that enters a black hole gets torn apart at the atomic level. People, planets, stars, nothing is spared. And our entire solar system? It would be doomed. The delicate balance of gravity holding our planets in place would collapse, causing them to crash into one another. To make matters worse, the asteroid belt would be pulled in our direction. Of the 552,894 known asteroids, about 200 of them are over 100 kilometers across. If even one of them hit us, we'd be doomed long before we got turned into cosmic spaghetti. All the matter from our solar system would join the black hole's accretion disk, a swirling ring of gas and debris. As material falls in, it releases massive amounts of radiation. So even if we somehow dodged the asteroids, the intense radiation would likely finish us off. Believe it or not, astronomers have discovered planets that orbit two stars. Theoretically, Earth could orbit both the Sun and a black hole, but the violent tidal forces would render our planet uninhabitable. Worse still, we could be flung out of orbit entirely, or swallowed by either the Sun or the black hole itself. Unfortunately, there's no scenario where we come out on top here. But, and this is a big but, maybe we could find a way to protect ourselves inside an ultra-reinforced spacecraft. If we somehow survived crossing the event horizon, things would get even weirder. The laws of physics as we know them might break down. Gravity, the speed of light, even how atoms interact. All could be completely different. The truth is, we just don't know. No information can escape a black hole. Would we emerge in another dimension, a parallel universe? Or what if we're already inside a black hole? What we do know, however, is that this is a story for another what if.